Hello everyone and welcome back, it's Galina. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fun shaker element on the card. For my card I want to create a border shaker with a colorful background. So I'm going to cut out twice my A2 card panel using a simple dotted borders die from Studio Katia. I mark it with pencil where I want to put the shaker and I run the die with paper through my die cutting machine. After die cutting, I got two nice edges with an embossed dots and the inner rectangle piece that I will use on my future project. Now I'm going to create my colorful background. It's better to use another piece of paper for the background, and a little bit later you will see why. I'm applying a few colors of Distress Oxide inks on the left side of the paper. I'm using a few new oxide colors and they are mixing perfectly even on a textured paper. And I'm going to leave this panel to dry. And meanwhile I'm going to stamp my beautiful floral images using Aloha stamp set from Studio Katia. I'm stamping one flower and few separate leaves using a black memento ink. I'm using a Copic-friendly ink because I'm going to color my images with alcohol-based markers. To color the leaves, I picked a few different shades of a green color, and I will write all color combos I used today on a blog post. I will leave link in the video description below, so don't forget to check it out. And for a flower, I picked my classic red color combo. After I'm done with my coloring, I'm going to cut out those images with coordinating dies. And let's move to creating a shaker. For today I'm going to use a tool instead of clear acetate sheet because I want to leave my border shaker with opened edges. I bought my tool in a local craft shop in a florist section and it looks almost transparent on a card. So I'm going to cut off a small piece of tool, a little bit bigger than my A2 card size. And I'm going to attach it to my die cuts. I'm using a super strong double-sided adhesive tape and I'm going to put it behind my die cuts. And after I attach my tool to the paper, I'm going to add some foam adhesive tape from Studio Katia to create a nice dimension for my shaker elements. And now I want to close the bottom edge of the shaker. I flip over the card panel and I'm attaching the tool on the back side using double-sided adhesive tape. I cut off the excess tool and I have a little pocket for my shaker elements. For today's card I'm going to use few sequin mixes from Studio Katia, and the first one is super bright and colorful with a lot of different sizes of sequins called Summer Mix, and I'm going to put a lot of those sequins inside of my shaker pocket. And also I'm going to add few red sequins just to match the flower on my card panel. And after that I can close my shaker pocket. And I'm going to attach the piece of tool to my card panel using double-sided adhesive tape. And now I can add my flower and leaves to create a nice summer scene. To create a sentiment, I'm going to use two small stamps from a same Aloha stamp set, and I'm going to stamp them with VersaFine black ink. After that, I'm attaching my card panel to a standard A2 card base. And here is my finished shaker card with pretty flowers and beautiful shiny sequins. Full supply list you can find in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and press thumbs up, and I will see you next week. Bye!